The MoneyGram Transfer Control Number, or MTCN, is a crucial component of every MoneyGram transaction. Every MoneyGram transaction is assigned a unique 8-digit reference number. This number serves as the key identifier for your specific money transfer. The MTCN is essential for both senders and recipients. Senders use it to track their transfers and get support, while recipients need it to collect the money and verify transaction details. You can find your MTCN in several places. First, email confirmations sent automatically after online transactions contain your MTCN prominently displayed. Physical receipts from agent locations also display your MTCN clearly. Keep these receipts safe, as they serve as proof of your transaction. The MoneyGram mobile app and website also provide access to your MTCN through your transaction history. Simply log into your account to view all your transfer details. Remember, each MTCN is completely unique to your transaction. It's essential for successful money transfers, so keep it secure and easily accessible when needed. There are 4 primary methods to locate your MoneyGram transfer control number. Each method provides reliable access to your 8-digit MTCN reference number. First method, email confirmation. When you send money online through MoneyGram's website or mobile app, you automatically receive an email confirmation containing your MTCN. Second method, physical receipt. For in-person transactions at MoneyGram agent locations, your MTCN is printed prominently on the paper receipt you receive after completing the transaction. Third method, MoneyGram mobile app. Open the app and navigate to transaction history to view all your recent transfers. Each transaction displays the MTCN alongside other transfer details. Fourth method, MoneyGram website dashboard. Log into your account at MoneyGram.com and access your transaction history. You can search by date range or recipient information to locate specific transfers. Best practices for MTCN management. Always verify your MTCN immediately after sending money. Share the number only with your intended recipient through secure channels. Keep multiple backup copies of the MTCN for your records. Remember, your MTCN is like a key to your money transfer. Treat it with the same security you would use for sensitive financial information.